Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about one project which is also related to DeFi, which is Krags. So Krags DeFi is a powerful exchange decentralized finance platform which is built on and powered by Ethereum blockchain. So soon Krags DeFi is going to start its pre-sale. It will be live soon within 32 days when I am recording this video. So what solutions this Krags platform is providing for you? Different solutions, so we can say all your needs under one roof. It provides secure wallets. In order to store tokens, you need wallets that are very compatible with lending and saving. So very secure wallet provision is there with Krags DeFi. Also, it offers various financial options and opportunities within the cryptocurrency and blockchain space to its clients. Then, creating DeFi applications, building cryptocurrency exchange, enabling the use of Krags tokens for purchase across the digital world, and enabling the use of Krags tokens to facilitate and receive payments and wages. So, it provides developer various opportunities for their all development types. Also, Krags is built on very reliable Ethereum blockchain, so it is immutable, very much immutable, and provides all the decentralized advantages. Also, regarding governance, Krags relies on a strong decentralized governance which is uncontrolled by an establishment or government but by an independent board. So like other solutions, it is not centralized, it is completely decentralized. This will be governed by DeFi master idea, voting on its members and giving essentials decision based on the voting. Also, it provides highest security. So Krags employs a Turing incomplete protocol to protect and minimize all attacks, therefore keeping the platform very much safe and secure. Also, Krags system is designed to handle and process very high volume of transactions in fast and decentralized, uninterrupted manner. It also provides lending, so Krags contributors would be able to lend and borrow through the secure collateral dependable system and get paid by earning interest on the assets. Also, Krags offers peer-to-peer trading platform for cryptocurrency, so you can exchange your currencies to other currencies and there is no need to send your tokens to other exchanges, and which is saving your transaction cost. Now Krags is very unique platform dedicated to providing fast, smart, accessible, profitable financial services for borrowing, lending, cryptocurrency assets. Also, it provides staking for returns, exchange of cryptocurrency assets, decentralized applications, and automated market makers. So various solutions it is providing, and therefore Krags users will be able to optimize their yield for obtaining Krags tokens, earn money, and also use tokens as means of payment. The Krags will offer various crypto assets on Krags platform, and the payouts will be made automatically on the investment using their smart contracts. Now regarding the roadmap, if we can see Q1 2021, seed funding from private sale and public sale, this is at the moment ongoing. Also within Q2 you can see platform architecture and technical development, and within Q3 and Q4 you can see that DeFi integrations will be there for lending and borrowing partnership, and also e-commerce firms will be having partnership done. So how you can make money with Krags? Yes, you can make money from Krags. You may stake. So staking is nothing but you have to keep your funds, that is tokens, for certain lockup period, and for which you will get an interest, you will earn interest. So you may buy and hold until the currency increases in the value. You may trade also. You may get bonus tokens for referrals and so on. And how does the value will grow? What is the guarantee? So token value will grow due to the usage and transactions by the community. Continued development programs and milestones hit by moderators and developers of the project will contribute in higher, making the demand higher, and thus the price will automatically increase. So this is all about Krags, and if you want more information about this project, of course you can visit the krags.io website, for which the link I have given in the description. Also you can go through the white paper. For that also I have given the link in the description. You can connect with Krags with Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, and also you can join their YouTube channel. All the links I have given in the description. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment to this video, subscribe to our channel, and to share this video to other users. Thank you very much. Have a good day.